For Weber owners, we offer a SizzleLift which drops in on the original tabs currently holding the charcoal grate. There is no need for mounting. Gravity holds it in place. For other brands and for Weber kettles with broken tabs, we have a universal SizzleLift which mounts on to the bottom of the kettle. Three 3/8-inch holes need to be drilled through the bottom of the kettle shell. Wing nut bolts are provided. Either way, the SizzleLift does not interfere with the standard ventilation system in the bottom of the kettle. The charcoal basket drops on the center tube on top of the lift spindle and moves up or down by rotating the basket using the included driver. Distance dictates the heat. Control the grilling temperature by moving the charcoal basket up and down gives you total direct heat control instantly. The charcoal burns at 800 to 1000 Fahrenheit. When you have the ability to change the distance from the charcoal to the grill, you instantly change the temperature at your grill. And for the same reason, you need only one layer of charcoal, saving charcoal while having maximum heat available. Now place the grill back on the tabs in the kettle and you are ready to barbecue with the SizzleLift. By lifting up the hinged food grill, you can access the charcoal basket with the driver. Some of you might have to remove the food grill to get to the charcoal basket. Either way, we offer a patented split kit package which is now finally available for all Kamado and kettle type barbecues. This heavy-duty split kit wireframe is fully loaded with accessories and can be ordered on our website. With adjustable brackets, the split kit hangs on the edge of the kettle without interfering with the lid. Through slot holes in the brackets, the diameter of the frame can be adjusted to any size kettle. Just be sure to compare the sizes we're offering with the size of your kettle before ordering. And if you need help with this, let us know. The split kit leaves enough space between the kettle and the grill for the driver to spin the charcoal basket around without having to remove anything. Broken tabs on older kettle barbecues may cause them to become unusable. The split kit offers the solution, not only for restoring these barbecues, but at the same time upgrading them to unknown heights. And of course, the split kit would not be complete without the griddle, which can be used on both sides, allowing you to make your perfect smash burgers and cook your veggies. All of this can be yours by simply ordering it through this website or visit one of our dealer stores today.